Bostik Adhesive Solutions by Arkema. In a world of sustainability and innovation, our smart adhesives enable our clients to develop products that positively contribute to a circular economy, allowing people to enjoy the benefits of innovation while limiting their impact on the environment. Our smart adhesives and sealants are used around the globe to build homes and commercial buildings, reducing construction time and costs, improving durability and building efficiency, while enabling people to live comfortably. We provide the means for people to repair their dearest possessions and to move around happily in reliable hygiene products, from baby to adulthood. In a world of circularity, it is our mission in packaging to enable proper end-of-life and facilitate innovation. From compostable cups and wash-off labeled bottles to recyclable cardboard packaging, our durable solutions are applied within the latest technologies, such as smartwatches and mobile phones. Since 1889, we have been developing and innovating to improve performance. After all, progress always marches on at Bostik. We want to stimulate you to create whatever you have in mind using the smartest adhesives. Developed by our talented team of more than 7,000 people in over 45 countries. Bostik, attached to your world.